Well, alrighty then. Look at this cool looking Cadillac. I think that's in the 80s. Might be from the 90s. But I think it's an 80s job. I can't hold this thing straight. Let's see. Oh, cool. I can catch the rain. You can see the rain reflecting off of the ground clutter. Gosh. Yes. If I can hold it straight, it's not that bad. Pretty good cameratic. See if I can catch it off of the light here. Yeah. If I go behind it, yeah, you can see it really good now. You can see it really well. Well good. But let's see. Not everybody. Oh, what the hell is my finger doing in the lane? Sure. Very unpro-like. Imagine going to the movies, like your favorite movie, Terminator or Frozen, and see the cameraman's finger in the way. That would be hot. And we're all humane. All human. Yes, we're all human. I got nothing to talk about. I just wanted to share the rain. I do so love the rain, although I stepped in a damn puddle. Didn't catch one. Rain light. No cars. I saw. What was that damn thing? First I thought it was a Maserati. Seeing more Maseratis around. I thought people were supposed to be bored, then. And the other day, there's a lot of traffic out. Usually there's nobody in it. But people are supposed to be home. So this guy's like, he's running faster than 100 miles an hour. Yeah. So Maserati. Look, I'm in a discotheque tonight. Yeah. I'm getting all drunkard. Wonder if I should drive home or take the bus. Some crap like that. I think busing it might be better. I gotta stop pointing this damn camera at the floor. I mean, at the ground. Floors for indoors, grounds are for outdoors. Let's see, how many minutes in it? 2 minutes. Yeah, I gotta get something done. I love spotting the. I like the. Let's see if I can get the car goes by. Yeah, I don't know. They're kind of bright on that tail light. There's a car that went by, really super bright tail light. You can see the red reflecting in the rain. Looked beautiful. I just noticed it by accidental. Let's see. I wonder if I should start speaking German. But no one's gonna know what I'm talking about. Oh, let's see. Oh yes, the virus. Yeah, everything's supposed to be 8 to 8 now. And which is kind of, it feels like London. I remember when I was in London years ago. Everything would close at 6 p.m. and totally cool. Although I viciously hated it. You can see the little raindrop. I hated it with a passion, with a passione, because it's like you're dead in the water last minute. So yeah. Okay. I left it for. Morning, sir.
Morning.
Good.
But that's your transport?
Huh?
This is your transport?
No, I want that though.
It's nice. That's
Yeah.
what you want.
Oh, I thought it was like 80s or 90s though. Maybe late 80s, early 90s. Yep. Let's see. Nice people. Hey, everybody notices that old crappy piece of crap. This guy sucks. Just trying to be nice, I swear to God. Ugly styling. smooth though, but that thing, close that door, that thing rattles like somebody's screen door. Like a screen door in a trailer park. I swear to God, those things are garbage. I think they finally went good when Cadillac, I think it was 2008 or 2005. I think it was 2008. I remember I rented one from Avis. Man, that thing was kick-ass. Actually, no, there's a guy down the block that he has that, I don't know what the hell it is, a CX-8 or some crap like that. Thump, it thump when you close the door. Thud, instead of like everything's rattling inside. And, yeah, that's the way these things close. I swear to God, it doesn't even close like your main door. It closes like a screen door, you know, with a broken screen. But yeah. But the 2008, I think that was 2008. I remember I rented one because I used to rent like crazy. And, well, okay, not crazy. If you call 3 times a year, crazy. Maybe 4. And, yeah. But, that door would close like a thud. Because I remember there was a place on, I forgot the name of it, on 27th Street and I think 11th Avenue. I think that's what that was. I think they moved though, and to where the hell was that? I think they moved up to 55th Street or 57th Street or something. I haven't been back there. I used to, every time I would walk home, anytime in Manhattan, sometimes I'd walk home from 86th Street, Lexington Avenue, and this is about 13 miles. I can't do that now. I'm fat hog, for one thing, like 100 pounds heavier than I was like 2 weeks ago. But yeah. What the hell was I talking about? That high-end place that had Lamborghinis. Very few Ferraris though. They had Lamborghinis, Porsches, Rolls Royce. Yeah, I remember they left the door open. They don't like to leave the door open on the Rolls, you know, in the very expensive cars. And well, actually, any of those cars, they're all expensive, $300,000. But that Rolls, they left it open. I said, let me just try this baby, because I think they were showing it to somebody. I got in that baby, shut that door, boom, like a vault, just boom, boom, boom. And then I'm thinking like, why the hell don't they make Caddies and Lincolns like that? But I think the Lincolns, they always had a smoother ride. They always felt more solid, like the Fords. I remember a friend of mine said that one time. He said his uncle, he's a mechanic, and he said Fords are the best cars. Because my parents used to always, when I was growing up, they always owned GM cars. And they were crap, you know. And so we owned a Ford. I think that was my dad's last car before he kicked me out of the house. Said, "Get a job, you bum." No, I didn't do that. I know they wanted to, though. I would have done it. I was really lazy. I tried not to be, I swear. I used to mow the grass. And, like, if there was a leak in the sink, I'd try and tell Dad and Mom, "Mom, there's a leak in the sink. You better call somebody." No, I'm just kidding. I would fix it. You know, I would let them know that it was time to fix.
Since when the laundromat open 4 o'clock in the morning?
But morning people. It's not 4 o'clock, dumbass. It's 4:10. No, it's actually, what the hell is this? It's like 6 o'clock. All night laundromat. I love all nighters. Oh, look at this cool car. Okay, this thing is getting too damn long. But yeah. Yeah. Wow, I couldn't believe it though. And CTX, and I don't think this might be the CTX, right down the block there. But yeah, it closed like a vault. So wow, this feels like a Rolls Royce, and everything was just better about the damn things. Like finally, oh cool, they opened a little story. Okay, I'm done.